consider. Gusto ko malaman na sila mga... Yung Sam Search din na sa... I'm just looking at everyone, you know, saying that I am a Sam Search. Pero gusto ko malaman with all of the performers that you have saw. Yeah. That they have seen actually. Gusto ko makipag-collaborate sa'yo.
Gusto ko makakolaborate. Ito yung susunod natin. Pwede natin makakolaborate ito. Pwede natin itong mga ito. Pwede naman natin sila i-introduce ito. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo lahat. Ano.
VJ Sam has a question for everyone.
Ito. May sabihin ako. Yung susunod nating performer, pag nakita nyo, mapapasigaw kayo na Stupid!
Alam mo, VJ Sam, ikaw na lang. Kasi ako, ayaw kong gawin sa akin yan, lalo na pagdating sa pag-ibig. And speaking of love, ako, Sam, maglaro na tayo ng kahit ano, basta lang hindi tagu-taguan.
Bakit?
Kasi, you know, a boy like you is so hard to find.
Medyo awkward din
Papawiin ka na.
Hindi, alam mo kung bakit sinabi ko mapapastupid sila. Mapapastupid sila, hindi dahil ko, yun yung pinasikat nilang kanta back in the day.
Ay, sobrang kilala na ba yun? Kami sobrang kilala namin sila, and actually this rap group was part of Mixmon 2002, and it was actually held here in Araneta, Cruzeiro.
Yes, and of course, hindi lang yan, they have new music, they have a new album out, and of course, they're under the wing of the homie JR from Homeworks.
Kaya naman,